Welcome to Joseph IT Guys, your technology entertainer. Today I'm going to show you how to download the official version of TeamViewer and install it properly in your system. So first of all, go to your browser and type TeamViewer on Google and simply go to the source. If it asks for accepting cookies, then accept it. And now simply download and click on download for free. Okay, it's downloaded and I'm installing it. Okay, how do you want to proceed? Default installation will be there, and if you are using for personal use, then the middle is okay. But if you are using it for company use, then choose this. But I'm just going to use it for personal use. Choose yours and accept. Okay, it is installed and has appeared before us, and there you'll be able to find your ID and password. Okay, if you want your friend or someone to access in your PC, then you have to share this ID and password to that person, and he will put this ID and password and will be able to get access to your PC. And if you want to access any other's PC, then just have the ID of that person and the password. Okay, so this is the interface. There are some options too, and in my next video tutorial I will show you how to fix this password and to have access from any remote place. The password doesn't remain the same. If you close this and come back again, the password will be changed. Okay, and it can be fixed also, which I'm going to show you in my next video tutorial. And I think you really found this video useful. If you really did so, then please subscribe to this channel if you're new to this, like the video and share. See you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.